remember, we are still looking at linear inequality. My name is Victor Odigoma here, and at the level where we are, we have been able to. I think this should be the 6th class. We've been able to look at so many foundational discussions on linear inequality in the previous classes we've had. All right. So at this level now, we've started solving some critical problems in emanating from linear inequality, and these questions, the one I solved in the last class and this particular one, are typical Waec examinable questions on linear inequality. The reason I brought this particular one because in the last class I told us that I'm going to be bringing a question that captured when you are dividing the both sides by same negative number or multiplying both sides by same negative number. Okay, that something will happen to the inequality symbol. Okay, that is what is captured in this question. So I am trusting God that when you follow me in this class, you will get it. You will see what happens at that particular point. Okay, so let's go immediately. So this question is given to us to simplify and possibly present the answer on the number line. The first thing we are going to do here now is to find the LCM of the denominators and use it to multiply through. I'm sure that is very, very clear. We'll find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. I'll use it to multiply through. Okay, so I'll have 12 into 2x minus 2 over 3 minus 12 into 3x minus 6 over 4, then greater than or equals to 12 in bracket 1. So this, the next thing we do will be to reduce this. This is 1, that's 3 cancel itself 1, 3 cancel 12 will give us 4. So we have 4 in bracket 2x minus 2. Then here will be 1, 4 cancel itself 1, cancel here 3. So we have minus 3 in bracket 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to, this is 12. So you can open the brackets. Okay, so here we have 4 times this will give us 8x, 4 times this will give us minus 8, and then minus 3 times 3x will give us minus 9x, minus 3 times minus 6 will give us plus 3 times 6 is 18, then greater than or equals to 12. So at this level we collect the like terms. Okay, many times I teach with consideration that everybody doesn't have the same level of assimilation. So I'm trusting God that the breaking down of this to this level, you understood it. You can watch the video over and over again to capture every detail of what I did here. Okay, so that the time doesn't go too far in solving this problem. So collecting the like terms, I have 8x here, and I have, it's like 8x minus 9x. Okay, and I have minus 8 plus 18 greater than or equals to 12. So this will become minus x, and here will become plus 10 greater than or equals to 12. So you know that there's a comma. This will come over here, and you have minus x greater than or equal to 12 minus 10. Okay, and that will give us minus x greater than or equal to 12 minus 10 is 2. So do you see that what we now have there is minus x greater than or equals to 2. So that is this exact point where I want to bring us to. Do you realize that this now, you need to multiply both sides by minus 1, or you divide both sides by minus 1. Now in doing that, this inequality sign changes. Do you get it? Anytime you come to a point where you have an expression like this, and you need to divide both sides by the coefficient, the negative coefficient of this, the inequality sign changes. Or you need to multiply both sides by the negative coefficient of this, the inequality sign changes. That is what I'm trying to say, is that if I now say minus x over minus 1, this will become less than or equal to 2 over minus 1. And your answer will become x is less than or equal to minus 2. I'm sure you understood that. Or if I say minus x, okay, if I say minus 1 in bracket minus x, this will become less than or equal to minus 1 in bracket 2. So multiplying both sides by the same negative coefficient. So this will become x less than or equal to, okay, minus 2. And on the number, I think this explanation is well taken. And on the number line, your result will be, I'm sure you can present this on the number line. Present this on the number line. I hope there is no mistake in what I wrote here, in the use of the inequality. Okay, there's no. You've been working with less, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, until you get down to this place. And then doing this, the inequality sign changes. Okay, so finally, I can put this on the number line as x is less than or equal to. So if here is my origin and somewhere here is minus 2, x less than this or equal to this, we have a shaded base. Please, if you go to the introductory part of our class, you see when I was explaining every detail that has to do with these inequality symbols, I gave a detailed explanation about that. If you check out introduction class to linear inequality, you get the detailed explanation on how to do this presentation, in a format, in a number line, the real number line. Okay, I'm sure this explanation is okay for you out there.